So, if you're interested in machine learning, then you really want to check out automated model builders. And the reason why is the focus of this video. And I want to walk through really quickly what Darwin, an automated model builder, is going to help you do. So, let's look at this little image here, this graphic. And what this describes, or what this shows, is the machine learning process. And then what you, as a data scientist or as someone who just wants to build a machine learning model, need to do. And then what an automated model builder like Darwin will do for you. So let's take a look at this process. So it starts with gathering some data. And in this case, specifically to Darwin, you just need to have your data formatted as a CSV. I'll note that the turquoise boxes are ones that denote what you have to do as the user, and then everything else is going to be handled by Darwin, or at least the boxes here in black. So as we step through this, you basically need to bring your data in. And then if you're doing this on your own, if this was, you're going to use open source tools, you're going to build a model, then you have to figure out where you're going to store your data. You're going to do some pre-processing. So you're probably going to have to scale it, normalize that data, probably do a lot of data cleaning as well. So take categorical variables and turn them into floats, things of that nature. Then the next step is you're probably going to do some feature engineering. So you're going to take your existing columns of data, let's just pretend like you have a spreadsheet, and generate new columns that are going to be more predictive of the outcome that you want to predict. So that once you've cleaned your data, normalized it, and you've built some new features, you'll then actually start training a bunch of different models and figuring out which one is best. And there are tons to choose from. And some of these, for example, are really popular ones like XGBoost for gradient boosted trees, random forest, and deep neural networks, which are really popular now with deep learning. Now, the nice thing about Darwin here is it's going to take care of all of these steps for you. So either you use the Darwin SDK or software development kit, like we'll show in this example, or you use the Darwin API directly. Either way, it doesn't matter. You just need to pass in your data, format it as a CSV, and then Darwin will take care of the rest. Pre-processing your data, doing a bunch of feature engineering, and then running a bunch of different models, all the while tuning hyperparameters and making sure that you're not overfitting. At the end, it's going to store your model, and you'll be able to make predictions or do inferencing based on that model. So all you really have to do, as denoted here, is load your data and then view the results. Darwin will take care of the rest. In our next video, we'll walk through how to do that. If you have not signed up yet, get started with your 15-day trial right now by clicking the link in the description of the video.